Welcome back. If you are serious about AI, you have heard the name Grok 3. It is the AI that everyone is talking about. Fast, uncensored, and scary smart. But here's the problem that stops most people. The SuperGrok plan costs $30 a month. That's real money, and not everyone wants to hand over their credit card details just to try it out. I get it. So today, I'm going to show you something most creators do not share. A simple, legal, and completely free way to access the 3-day SuperGrok trial without using a traditional credit card and without spending a single kobo. All you need is your Opay virtual card. Stick with me until the end because I also have a special bonus for subscribers who want to master AI tools without breaking the bank. Let's get into it. First, a quick reminder of what SuperGrok actually gives you. The free version of Grok is good, but SuperGrok unlocks the real power. With the 3-day trial, you get unlimited image generation, deep search mode for research, the famous think mode where Grok reasons step by step, priority access during peak hours, and longer, more detailed responses. For 3 full days, you have everything. No restrictions, no hidden limits. That's enough time to test it for your business, your content, or your personal projects. But here's the wall that most people hit. SuperGrok asks for a payment method upfront, even for the free trial. And if you don't have an international credit card, you feel locked out. That's exactly why this Opay method is a game changer. Let me walk you through this. Follow each step carefully. Step 1. Prepare your Opay virtual card. Open your Opay app. Go to the virtual card section. If you've never created one, do it now. It takes less than 2 minutes. Opay will generate a Visa card instantly. You'll see a card number, an expiration date, and a CVV. Here's the important part. Make sure international transactions are turned on. You can find this setting inside the virtual card menu. Why? Because SuperGrok is an international service. The system needs to verify that your card can handle cross-border charges. But don't worry, no money will leave your account during the free trial. Step 2. Go to SuperGrok. Open your browser, go to grok.com or open the X app if you have access there. Create an account if you're new or log into your existing account. Once you're in, look for the upgrade button. It's usually at the top right corner. You'll also see a banner advertising the 3-day free trial for SuperGrok. Click it. Step 3. Enter your Opay card details. This is where most people hesitate. The payment screen appears, it asks for a credit card, and you think, are they going to charge me? No. You're simply authorizing the trial. Take your Opay virtual card details, copy the card number, enter the expiration date, enter the CVV, then click Start Trial or Subscribe, depending on what the button says. Step 4. Confirmation. Within seconds, your trial activates. You'll see a confirmation screen, and just like that, you have full SuperGrok access for 72 hours. No payment deducted, no subscription fee, just pure, unrestricted AI power. Before you rush off, let me give you a few critical tips. Tip 1. Set a reminder. The trial lasts exactly 3 days. After that, SuperGrok will try to charge your Opay card $30. So before day 3 ends, decide. Either cancel the trial inside your SuperGrok account settings or keep it if you love it, but don't get caught off guard. Tip 2. Keep a small balance on Opay. Actually, you don't need to. Opay virtual cards work for verification even with zero balance. The system only checks if the card is valid. It doesn't take money upfront. That's why this method works so well. Tip 3. What if international payments fail? Sometimes Opay requires you to activate international usage manually. If your card gets declined, go back to Opay app, find your virtual card settings, toggle on Allow International Transactions, then try again. It almost always works on the second attempt. Tip 4. Use a fresh email if needed. If you've already used a trial on the same account, Grok may remember you. No problem. Just sign up with a new email address, then repeat the same Opay card steps. You now know exactly how to access SuperGrok for 3 full days completely free, using only your Opay virtual card. No credit check, no hidden fees, no risk. But here's the truth. Most people will watch this video, save it for later, and never take action. You're different because you made it to the end. So here's my call to action for you, especially if you're not yet a subscriber. Subscribe to this channel right now. Tap the subscribe button. Turn on the notification bell. Why? Because every single week I share powerful money-saving AI tricks just like this one. Next week, I'm releasing a full tutorial on how to stack multiple free trials of premium AI tools using virtual cards from Opay, PalmPay, and Chipper Cash. You don't want to miss that. Here's what I want you to do immediately after this video ends. 1. Pause this video. 2. Open your Opay app and create your virtual card if you haven't already. 3. Go to SuperGrok and activate your 3-day free trial right now. Then come back to the comments, write the word "done" and tell me if it worked for you. If you hit any issues, drop your question below. I personally answer subscriber questions first. One last thing. If this method saves you $30 or helps you test SuperGrok before paying, then do me a favor. Like this video, share it with one friend who loves AI but hates expensive subscriptions. That's how small creators like me grow. Thank you for watching. Thank you for trusting me with your time. Now go activate that trial. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.